spot came out of the nose. I didn't even see. It was hiding. That stuff right there.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's hiding in the skin.
Yeah.
But you have a nice nose, and see, it hides acne, and that's something that's gonna probably pop up later if you didn't take care of it or get it out in the nose, because it loves to just hide and build up sweat gland. And that's what I'm saying. Like when we sweat, it wants to find another home once we're doing the activity. Like, so say we're done the activity that made us sweat. So now our body cools down, the pore closes up. So that sweat that went into that hair follicle hole, which is not, there's two different holes. There's always the sweat glands, and then there's hair follicle. Hair follicle has its own little hole or home, and then sweat also, because that's where the sweat came from. And so the sweat tries to go back into the hair follicle. It's like, you don't belong here. What the hell? So it's like a war. So then they're like, by the time they're fighting with each other inside, your skin on the outside is actually healing over the hole and saying, oh, we need to close. Because remember, pores are open, but now they're closed. You calm down, everything's good. So yeah, it's a real problem. So it's like acne is not really a terrible thing. It's just, it's trying to leave your body. It is actually trying to work itself out, but our skin covers the hole, and then you get that bump because it's like suffocating. Like I can't blow out anymore. I'm like a balloon. You're trying to blow it up, and it can only go so far, and then it pops like a pimple.
So these things here, are they like quality ones and cheaper ones, or like is it one standard one like for these things?
Oh, for the extractor?
Yeah, the extractor.
The little thing. You can go to any CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, all that good stuff. I got this one from Sephora.
Okay.
Hard.
That's so funny. Get you squeeze
What? I do that because the bridge of nose is so sensitive. If I go straight down, you'll definitely feel it. So what I do is like I grab here, and then it's puffy. So then now, and it pops up to see all that stuff I just got out, like on that little piece. Right, and I was just on this one little general area, and it's hard to get for anybody. Knowing, like, I don't like the bridge of the nose. When somebody do, like, oh God, just do it, please get. I like them to start on the bridge first, then get my side, because the sides have more tissue. This is all cartilage. All you know is just a small, thin, flimsy bone. It's really not even bone. It's just cartilage. Yeah. One I can see, but if you made like 5, 3, 10, like nah, no, I'm suing.